There are some five-sided polygons on this hand, and I wanted to show you this idea of turning the row of faces. You can't really eliminate a row unless you end it in a triangle, which isn't so terrible all the time. Sometimes that's the best thing to do, but I did want to show you how you can turn the row. And you can see a five-sided face right here. That's two sides right there, 1, 2. And many more on the other side of the hand. This is a many-sided because each of these are an edge. So to really see the full extent of this, I'll start by putting the splits in on this side, so just so it's the same all around. I'm using the modeling toolkit here, and I'm going to use the multi-cut tool, and I'll just make a few cuts. Enter, enter. Okay. So let's start with this one on the back, and I'll show you what I mean by turning the row. So I'm going to actually delete this edge, and the whole trick to it is this. You start here, you go to the middle of the face, and then you go out to the edge. Okay, so I took a five-sided face, and I went from one side here to the middle, to the edge there, and then go from this middle to a corner. And now look what you have. This is a four-sided face, this is a four-sided face, this is a four-sided face. But what did we do? We turned the row, so now that row has to continue around the side. But in the hand, that can be helpful because at least that way it's only going around the hand and not populating all along the arm, along the shoulder, all that kind of stuff. Okay, and let's look at this now, up to here. Now, I can try to do the same with one of these. So, even though I just made these, let's try deleting that. Go here, go to the middle, go to this edge, and go here. Okay, so that's sort of turned in on itself from that one around to here. Now, this one, I could turn it here, but then I'm adding an edge row to the thumb, which frankly might be an easier way to do it. I was playing with this earlier, and I also noticed this face here is many-sided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think I was playing with a way to simultaneously solve both of those at the same time. Let me see if I can start it from here. Actually, that might solve it just like that simply. Oops, what happened there? So I think we fixed that now because I think, and yeah, we've got four-sided face, four-sided face, four-sided face, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and so on. So that gives you an idea of turning the row and the idea of eliminating five-sided faces and turning them into four-sided faces.